Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with what is probably my last JOANN'S haul. And I did have a gift card that was given to me for my birthday back in January, so I wanted to make sure that I was able to use that card and not have it get wasted with the stores all closing. So I'm going to share with you the goodies that I picked up. And actually, this is two JOANN hauls that I'm going to combine together. So I purchased some, I think it was late January or early February, and then I got some a little bit later in February. So anyway, the very first thing that I did was I found these Park Lane Valentine sticker packs. These are the dimensional ones. There are 10 pieces per pack, and I'm going to give you the regular price and then the sale price. So these were regularly, let's see, $6.99, and I got them for $1.75 each, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. And of course I have 3 packs here, so I have some for crafting next year and some for Happy Meal next year. And then I picked up 3 packs of these Park Lane Valentine stickers, and there are 243 in a pack, and these were regular $3.99. I got them for $1 each. And same deal, I'll be storing them away for next year, and then I'll use them or I will give them away. So those are the Valentine goodies that I got. And then I got some spring goodies. So let's see here. I guess I'll start out with the sticker packs. So I did pick up 2 different packs, and this one is the dimensional pack, and this is the 10-piece of the spring paper crafting collection, and I don't think it has a name other than that, but these are really cute. Look at the beautiful bee there, the mushrooms and the pansies, the butterfly, very, very cute. And let me see, these were regular $6.99, and I got them for $1.75 as well. Like I said, I did pick up 3 packs of those. Those are really, really pretty. I love them. And then these are the flat stickers. You get 108 in a pack. And I'm just going to give you a look here at the back of the package. Tons and tons of stickers in here. Beautiful. And these also were $3.99, and I got them for $1. So that was a great deal. And like I said, I picked up 3 of those. Okay. And then, and I know I'm going through this kind of fast because I got a lot of stuff here, okay? Then I picked up 3 of these spring paper crafting pads. These are the 6x8s. I was actually looking for the new Easter collection that they came out with right before all the craziness went on with them closing down, and they were all sold out at all the stores near me. So I did pick up these, and I think these are super cute collections, and the stickers that I just showed you did match these. And these were regularly $6.99. It was $1.75. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I'm just going to give you a quick flip through. These are gorgeous pages. Let me see here. So you get 48 sheets, 24 designs, so you get 2 of each. And they are all plain on the back side. They're one-sided papers. You get 2, and it is a nice thick paper. This is really cute. Love the bees. We've got this one. Welcome Spring. I love this sage green with the floral pattern. A beautiful butterfly. This will be great to cut out and use. And then we have this one here with the dandelions and the bees on there. That's adorable. We have a nice plaid. And everybody's new favorite, the mushrooms and all the fauna in the background. We've got another bee pattern. Another sage green with looks like a leaf pattern on there. We've got some mushrooms. Different plaid here. We've got these pretty pansies here with the purples. And we've got this one here, which kind of reminds me of a patchwork quilt or a tablecloth. Love the colors in this collection. So I'm glad I was able to settle at least for this. This would be good for your Easter crafting as well. And then here's a pretty blue and yellow. We've got this beautiful green with the ferns on it. Another large bug. This is your bee. Look how cute that is. It's all made up with little flowers. Another pansy. Some more mushrooms. We've got this yellowish plaid here. And then this one here, really pretty, very vintagey looking. And then we've got some tags and cut aparts. And I think that's it. So I picked up 3 of those pads, and like I said, these were regular $6.99. I got it for $1.75, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then I picked up, this is the Park Lane Sunny Daze pad. This one is 48 sheets. I don't know if there's 2 of each sheet. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think there's 2 of each sheet here. And this was regular $19.99. I got it for $11.99. Once again, I'm just going to give you a quick flip through. We got all these beautiful tags. These are going to be perfect for the summer swaps. We have this water. Cute. Very adorable. Love the small icons on there. And this one here has got kind of like a tropical pattern. Tone on tone. We have our watermelon. And you know, this may be an older pad. Let me just take a peek. Is this an older pad? Does it say? 2023. So yeah, it's an older pad. I thought I had seen it last year. Then we've got the watermelon here. We've got yummy ice creams and popsicles. And then here is a tone on tone. It's like a light red, and then it's got foil red dots on it. So that's really pretty. Got this nice summery stripe pattern. Here's your Sunny Daze yellow. Cute little summer foods. We got picnic baskets and pineapples, ice cream, pretzels, cherries. And then we have this stripe here, and it's got red metallic stripes running through it. And then we have this banner page. Flowers. Another yellow with dots on it. We have orange with yellow suns, metallic red bicycles. We've got another plaid type pattern here, and it's kind of like a pinkish color. We've got an all over word page here. This also has some foil in it. It says summertime. We've got a beautiful floral. Here we've got a nice page. This would be perfect for journaling on. A pretty blue, I don't know what you want to call that. It's kind of faded and splotched like tie-dye almost. Then we have some strips here. It's a fun paper pad. Pretty daisies, and that is the last one. Okay, so yeah, that's the Park Lane Sunny Daze. And you know what? I think I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to pick up and do a second video that will have the rest of this haul in it, because actually the stuff I'm going to show you next in another video came from another haul. So this was the end of the haul using up my gift card, and I will be back on another video real soon showing you what else I got. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed seeing these products here. Like I said, they're all on sale, and you know the stores are closing. There's nothing we can do about that, so you might as well get in there, pick up what you can, stock up your stash, and yeah, just be happy with what you can get your hands on, and hopefully you get some good prices. So that's what I've got for you today. Thanks for sticking around with me, and I hope you have a great rest of your evening, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.